Folding fitted sheets got you frustrated? Let me show you a trick that'll help. Hi, my name is Beth, and I'm with Cantado Wellness. And it is Technique Tuesday. And I guess technically this is not really a technique, but it's certainly a tip that'll help you out a lot. So if you don't know how to fold a fitted sheet, here's the trick. So what I want you guys to do is to just sort of tuck into the edge of your fitted sheet and grab this corner. And I want you to put it inside the other corner, just like this. And then you're going to do the same thing with this side so that you kind of get things evened out just a little bit. So now we've got kind of 4 corners, and we're going to just fold this down, fold it over, flatten it out just a little bit. And then you can fold your sheet however you want to. I got a couple other tricks for you, and we'll see how those go. But here's the other thing that I find my students have a challenge with. They don't know how to put a pillow in a pillowcase. Now, if you start out kind of like this and you stick it on, and then you have to kind of keep shoving, it's kind of a little challenge. So here's what I like to do. Set it down, put your hand in the center of the bottom, and then just put that up through the middle. Grab the bottom of your pillow, and then pull either side up, and it probably won't work since I'm doing this on camera, but you should be able to just pull it right up the edges and get a nice, easy way to get your pillow in your pillowcase, just like that. Now, here's my other thing. If you don't happen to have these lovely, and I love these, face cradle covers like this, that you can just put on like a fitted sheet, you can use your pillowcase. And what I like to do is to take my pillowcase and I'm going to wrap it around long ways, wrap it around my face cradle, and then I just kind of put my thigh up against it so I'm holding it. I'll reach in the center. Can you see what I'm doing? I can reach in the center. I'm going to grab the end up and pull it this way. And then I'm just going to cover my face cradle like this. And honestly, I like this a lot because it gives them a nice space to be able to breathe. But it also looks nice and neat for your clients. So I guess it's not really technically a technique, but those I hope are some helpful hints for you and some great tips for you to be able to use in your massage studio. Have a great day. I'll see you next Tuesday.